In today's video, I'm gonna give you my honest review of this 52 essential social skills. So this helps kids succeed in school. So grade, sorry for the glare, it is grade K to 3rd. So I got it from Timberdoodle. I'm part of their blog team, if you don't know, and they sent me this to try it on with my kids on 4 and 6, and it is awesome. So welcome back to my channel as well. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maggie. I have a 4 and a 6 years old, and we live in Hawaii. So like I said, Timberdoodle has so many different resources, curriculum. They pick what is the best out there, and then you can pick and choose. You can get a full curriculum, or you can just pick a few items. So this social skills is really great. So it has cards in it, and also I'm gonna put the link below. So if you are interested in this, you can go grab the card. So they're all cards. There's 52 cards. So all the one on this side, it's because I did it already with my kids. I put it on the wrong one. So I did it with my kids already, and then all these one, we haven't done it yet. So there's a lot of cards, there's a lot to go through. And so we've been doing like maybe a card or two a day, and not a day, a week. And then it's been really going great. And both my kids love to answer these. And then my son struggle more. Actually, he's 6, and he's the one that struggles more and that needs this, that we can talk about it. And then I saw in another video that this mom was using it at dinner time, and I've tried, and I really love it when our schedule is weird, that I work at night, and then when I'm home, half of the time my husband plays music, so we don't really have dinner all family together. And then if it's just me and with the kids, sometimes not that it's boring, but I have a 4 and a 6 years old. It's not like a conversation like with another adult. So having these cards and then talking during dinner time or even lunchtime, it's a great way. So if I show you one card, it says here, okay, so taking turns. There's a new Gaga pit at school. You can't wait to play. When you do, you're eliminated right away. What would you do, and how would you stay patient? So you can ask questions, you can ask other questions than that, and then it just opens the conversation with your kids. And my son is really shy, so it helps him on how to think about the way to react and things like that. So these one, so there's different colors. There's the red one, there's the black one, and then I think that's it. And then there's Joker. It says share on social media. And then so each suit character represent a focus area. So self-awareness, ability to understand one's feeling, beliefs, and behavior, to recognize one's strength and limitation. Self-management, ability to regulate and express one's emotion, thought, and behaviors in different situations. Social awareness, ability to show understanding and empathy for others, to understand social and ethical norms. Relationship skills, ability to form and maintain healthy relationships, work in teams, and handle conflicts. So these are all the 4 ways that you can that is gonna be talking about. And then in the back, it shows that they have more, like this company has more cards that you can like go buy and then use it with your kids. But overall, I really love this kit. All these cards, they're really great, and then easy to carry on. So definitely recommend this if you're looking for social activity with your kids, to be talking with them. For this is really an awesome tool to have for your kids. So I'm going to show you also when I've used it with my kids, and then their answer and things like that. I mean, I usually speak French to them, but reading the question, I read it in English, and then sometimes I'm gonna translate for my kids and for my son if he doesn't quite understand everything. Maintaining positive attitude. You missed a word when you were reading out loud in your reading group. Now you feel silly and don't want to read anymore, but your teacher is asking you to. What would you do?
Calm down.
Calm down. And what can you say to yourself to keep going?
So, start over.
Start over, that's a great idea. And then what else?
Or then say to the teacher, how is the let?
How is the word? Ask your teacher to say how you say the word. Yeah. Responding to accusation. Your friend told your teacher that you took her cookie from her lunch box. You didn't take the cookie, but saw someone else do it. How would you respond?
Nicely.
Nicely?
That wasn't me.
Say that it wasn't you. How do you get them to believe you?
Finding the kid that has the cookie.
Finding the kid that took the cookie.
Or tell the teacher.
Tell the teacher. We always say the truth. Do we take things away from others?
No.
No. Yeah, so definitely recommend it. Love it. Timberdoodle, thank you for sending me this. Make sure to go check out the link below. That is gonna bring you exactly to this. And then thank you for being here. Short review. I don't have a lot more things to do, just that is a great resource. If you have any question for this, please don't hesitate to comment below, and then I'll see you next time. And